Hello everyone. In this video we are going to cover this vitiligo white patch with the exact skin tone. As you can see, we are going to do the patch test on the small pace and we are going to make that to be covered exact as a skin tone. So if you have any doubts or if you want to book an appointment, our contact number is there in the description. Please feel free to contact us. And it's one of the most smoothest treatment. There won't be much of a huge maintenance. You don't have to do any medications, nothing like that. And the most important thing is, many of them thinking because of this will there be any vitiligo spreading. I should say there is no extra vitiligo spreading will happen because of this treatment, and it's completely infection free and there won't be any side effects for this. And one more FAQ I need to clear here is, we are getting a clients all over the world and we request everyone to book an appointment before visiting us. Then that way we can help you out much more better. And many of them thinking, is this same as tattoos? 200% it is not same as tattoos. It's completely different from tattoos. The inks and the cartridges needles which we are using, it's completely different from tattoos. So there is no way to compare this and the tattoos. And another important questions many of them ask is, will this looks faded after years? I should say, if your skin got accepted, we would recommend you to go ahead with the patch test first. If your skin got accepted, then there won't be much of a fading will happen. If it's happen, it will not look awkward also. It will be just mingle with your skin tone. In that way it will look more beautiful and natural look. So you don't need to worry about that. And as you all know, this is the only best way to bring out your natural skin back onto your skin. And if you have any more doubt, as I mentioned earlier, we have mentioned our contact number and then the location link in the description. Please do check it out and call us. Our team will help you out with all the details. And treatment is almost going to get over. We are at most the end of the session. As you can see, it's completely smooth and the result is best. You can see now it's exactly matched her skin tone. And once the patch test done, we'll be meet her for the remaining places of her body. So, and I'm signing off. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Don't die nude.